Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add header items to the right and left margin. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you first need to add a section. So click on this add section right here, and then let's head over and add a blank section. Now, as you can see, a blank section has been added, but this is actually so big. So let's resize it in order to fit what we need. So let's just resize it until here, right here. So you can change this width through this way. So it is still really big, but what we can do next is we can head over and click on this add element. Now click on strip right here, then click on classic strip, and then just choose this black strip right here. And then let's just add and attach this to this one. Now, as you can see, it become big again, but what we can do is we can actually make this smaller than it actually is. So for example, let's make this like this. Now let's click on the strip that we have added, and then from in there, click on this layout. Now once we're on the layout, just add in here a column. So we now have two columns. Now what we can do next is to click on layout again, and then just decide the proportion for this actual column. So for example, you can choose this 40-50 right here. So for example, let's just close this one, and then let's put all of the things on the header right here. So I will add arc for all right here, while this menu right here will proceed to this option right here. So once we have added everything right here, you should be able to just use it to your full advantage right here. So when you head over and preview this on your phone or your mobile, or you adjust everything in here, it won't be able to change what it looks like, and it will still remain as efficient as possible. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!